What's up, YouTube? So you got a 2021 and a 2022 Yukon that will not start and will not go into neutral. You end up getting a message when you try to go into neutral like this one. Conditions not correct for shift. That just means the car's not running and it will not let you go. So when you get this condition, you will have to do 2 to 3 things. First, you make sure you're in park without the parking brake on. You'll need to get an assistant or chalk the wheels. You'll have to disengage the parking brake by disconnecting both actuators at the left rear and right rear wheels. I'll show you an example of one of them. Okay, with one wheel off, I wanted to show you a better view of the parking brake actuator connector. Here's the caliper, the parking brake actuator. There's a red security clip. Push it back. Right behind it, you'll pull the tab and pull out the connector. You'll have to do it on both sides. This is the view with the wheel off the car. I'll show you the view with the wheel on the car. So with a little bit of light, the other right rear side, this is the view from behind the wheel underneath. You cannot see it from the top with the wheel on the car. You'll have the red tab. You have to push back. The black tab you have to push. It's hard to do with one hand. There's the red tab, the black tab, and you disconnect it. One more step to be in neutral. Okay, from underneath the car, this is the actual shift shaft. Right here, it's 11 millimeter or 10 millimeter wrench will move it. You have to move it counterclockwise and use a zip tie to keep it in neutral. It's easier on a two-wheel drive. Take the 10 millimeter wrench, put it underneath the trans-cooler line, take your zip tie, secure it, and now you can push the car, bring it on your tow truck, push it into the shop, and repair whatever's wrong with the vehicle. Mine ended up needing a starter. Okay, so during all this process of putting it in neutral, you will get a message on your dash. You will have to have some kind of scanner to clear the codes. Here's the message.